Hey guys, it's me William, and today I'm going to show you how to build Lego Harry Osborn, Lego Electro, and Lego Green Goblin from the Amazing Spider-Man 2. So yeah, let's get started. So first up, we have Harry Osborn. So I actually got this black Hawkeye hair, and then I just painted black because Harry Osborn is kind of black, but you can tell he's kind of from Spider-Man 3, so he's kind of like Amazing Spider-Man 2, and then when you flip his face, he has an angry face, so I just choose the Aquaman head because I think that looks really good on him. So then I actually took a Tony Stark torso and then just cover up the circle, and then I just detailed it. And then I just got these legs. And you know, I didn't actually buy these legs. I actually painted the shoes so it could look like Harry Osborn. Yeah, and then I just got some black arms and so yeah, that's Harry Osborn. So next up we have Electro, which is kind of a bit bigger. So yeah, you can see it's very cool. And then I got the clear blue Electro head. And then I just got a plain torso, but I actually didn't. I actually painted it because I couldn't find other plain black torsos, and I have black arms and then white hands. Then I just can't get the pants, but I tried to look for a Hawkeye one, but they didn't. But I looked kind of everywhere and they didn't have one, so I didn't have one. So yeah, that is Electro. Last up, we have Green Goblin. So I actually took an Ultron and torso and legs. Also, I actually painted the other side green because I know he looks like that, but I actually painted the details. So comment down below if you like this video. Also, I painted the face and hair because I really wanted to make it a dark green one. So and then it's hard to take the face off, but you can. And then he has an angry face. It's hard to take the face off because it has like paint on it, but it doesn't have paint on it. But I'm just showing you the angry face on you. So yeah, that's Green Goblin, and then under the arms, I painted it too. So that's the end of the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.